This video is a tutorial on how to make the V-stitch. We're going to start off with a slip knot. Then we want to chain a multiple of 3 for this stitch. I'm going to do 18. You can do as many as you'd like in multiples of 3 to get your practice in. Next, we're going to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull back through, yarn over, pull through once, yarn over, pull through again for a double crochet. This is one side of our first V that we've completed. Now to get the second side of the V, we need to chain 1, and then we're going to double crochet into that exact same chain. So you can see it is stretched out a bit. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook into that same spot, and complete your double crochet, and you can see our first little V is complete. And these will get more defined as we go. Now we need to chain 2, and we're going to skip 2 chains down here. And we're going to start our next V into this chain. So once again, we'll double crochet into here. And then we'll chain and double crochet back into the same chain. Chain 2, skip 2, double crochet into this spot. Chain 1, double crochet again into that same space. We'll repeat this process through the end of the row. Now that we're at the end of the row, we have 2 chains left over, and we're going to skip 1 chain and double crochet one last time into this last chain of the row to give us our edge. To work our way up to the next row, we want to chain 2 and flip our work over. And then we're going to be repeating our pattern, but we're going to be working our V's into the chain 1 space of the V's below. To double crochet, just go right into that hole, not into the individual chain itself. We'll do our double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the chain space again. And then we'll just keep going with this for as much practice as you need. This is a very simple stitch and is especially great for a blanket. Be sure to check out some of my other videos at the end of this one for more crochet stitches.